Izzy, why don't you get over there next to Daddy?
I need one. No.
Come sit right here.
Oh.
Here, give it here and let Mommy help you.
No, me help.
Let me start opening it for you.
No, me help more. Me.
What's this way? Are you ready? Help me. Pull. Pull.
You want help?
No, me help.
You want me to help you?
No, we don't need that.
What's this?
Wow.
I don't know what that is.
Now?
Right here. Hold on. Right here. Pull. Got it. Pull. I smell bad.
No, me help more. I think I can do it.
You think you can do it? Is it still in the shoe?
Woo!
Is it stable?
Papa!
Throw it in the floor. Throw it in the floor. Throw it in the floor. Oh my goodness. How do you open it?
You know. No. This? No. No. Orange. Or kitty. Or this.
How about on this side?
No.
I've never had one, so I have no clue. Izzy, baby, you're doing it all wrong. Let me see.
Oh. I hit you in the head. I don't know. What's in there?
No. Let's open the basket.
Go right there.
But
Go
first,
hard.
I'm excited.
Go hard.
No.
You need help?
No. I need help.
How the fuck do you open it?
I need a
Are
Bible.
you still recording this shit? Because I feel like an idiot right now.
I know how
Open it and throw it
You
in.
open it. Let me see if I can figure this out.
this one.
What'd you get?
This guy. That ring.
Daddy can get his family.
Mine. Or this.
Oh, I gotcha.
Yeah.
Alright, what's this? Oh, you just sneezed all over me. What's this? That is a crown and a diamond. So let's try this. A crown and a diamond. Nope, that's not that one. A crown and a diamond. Nope, that's not that one.
I help you.
You getting it?
I'm gonna put it. I did it.
Hey, give it here.
I don't know how to do it.
Nothing. How does it-
You just put
There's
it
another
hard.
piece.
Put it hard.
Oh, we found it.
Can I start the next
There's
zipper?
another one. Okay, what's the next thing? Move it in. That's fire and snow. Hit the button. Did it work? Nope. Didn't work. Didn't
Let
work.
me see.
I tried.
Maybe you can do it harder. Maybe you can do it harder. Fire?
Fire, snow.
No, my card.
What'd you get? Oh, you got a different one than Sissy. You got a different one.
I got purple dot.
Let's see what you got. What'd you get? Let's see. We got a diamond and a crown. Let's see. Don't mess with that one. That one's already a diamond. And a crown. Nope, not that one. Let's see this one.
Maybe you
Crown
go harder. Go harder. Go harder.
and a diamond.
Wait, give me the code.
Who's that?
Lucky Kitty.
Lucky kid.
Who is that?
Help.
Aw, who'd you get? You want the outfit off? That's a little bunny outfit. Let's see, who'd you get?
No, my turn. Wow.
What'd you get in your bag? Here,
Do it harder.
what's this?
Do it harder.
What's in there?
I'm trying, sweetheart.
And they got pink. And they got pink one.
You got a pink one.
No, I did. I got purple. And
And
they got
fire
pink.
and ice.
That didn't work.
Gases. Gas.
Candy and apple.
That didn't work.
Why are you recording that?
Peace and love. Because Delilah wants me to.
Peace and love, alright? Peace and love. Oh, that one. A banner! We did all the
Okay,
things.
seriously? No, the fucking colors are working.
Helping.
Here, Izzy, here's your next bag. Did Daddy not open your bags, Lila?
There we go.
No.
Oh,
My dad.
Okay, can I open the next one?
there you go.
And we
See what you got.
No, mine. Oh, that's cute.
Good luck
Oh,
in the
my
kitty.
God. It's an adventure.
Rain and
It's
sun.
bottle. Oh, I better get my shirt. I better get my shirt.
Look what else you got. You got go-go boots.
What?
Candy and an apple.
Candy and an apple. It's so cool.
I got it.
You got
Get
it.
them all?
I did.
Me too, special.
I get me. What's your food?
Can I put her outfit on?
Peace and love.
Let's put her little outfit on.
Oh. Just got that. No, I didn't have. Where's my stuff on?
All right, push the button. Push the button. See what happens. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Who'd you
Why
get?
did you decapitate it right away?
Well, there Izzy did too.
What the heck?
I get mine.
That's pretty cool.
Cool.
Two different skins.
And that now. I got one more code to go through. I got a problem though.
What?
I've tried all the codes. I still got one not open.
With Carol. With Carol.
Izzy got Drag Racer. That's who Izzy got.
Whoa.
Oh,
Daddy,
we did
wow.
open them all.
Izzy got Drag Racer. Who did Lila get?
I don't know.
Lila got.
I'm
Let's see her on
trying.
this one.
Oh my god. Who is that?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. What am I looking for?
Something pink hair.
Who's that?
Yeah.
You got Chill Out Club.
You love
Thank you, girls, for being good girls for Daddy.
Okay.